Dreamcatcher Yachts in Dana Point is honored to offer Resonance, an elegant 50-foot Valiant sailing yacht built in 2001. Heads will turn as you sail by in this beautifully engineered offshore performance cruiser that has been owned and maintained by an experienced yachtsman. The custom interior includes lowered floors for added headroom and raised counters for ease and comfort. Also, warm, solid cherry wood throughout with U-shaped seating that easily converts to an additional sleeper for added guests. Other amenities include a Westerbeek 8 kilowatt 110 volt generator, Cruise Air reverse cycling heating and air conditioning, an entertainment package with a built-in television, a JVC AM/FM CD plus amp stereo system, 6x9 speakers in the main salon, and Bose 151 speakers in the cockpit. Cockpit electronics are too numerous to list, but include Edson pedal-steel wheel steering with single lever engine controls, a Ritchie SP5 binnacle mounted compass, and a B&G Hydra 2000 Ocean Pack system with 2 full functional split displays and 360 windows. If you truly want to upgrade your sailing experience with the ultimate combination of strength, stability, performance, safety, and comfort, then please contact me, Kenzie Lobaz, and I will personally assist you through the entire process of purchasing this incredible sailing vessel.